In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Slack profile photo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. If you've been using Slack for a while, you know that having a profile picture can make your communication feel a bit more personal and help your team recognize you. So changing your profile photo is a great way to give your account a fresh look. First, let's locate where we need to start. Look at the lower left-hand side of your Slack interface. You should see either your profile picture or your initials displayed there. Go ahead and click on that. A pop-up menu should appear shortly after you click. In that menu, you'll see an option labeled Profile. Go ahead and select that. This should bring you to a section on the right side of your screen where your profile details are displayed. Now we're going to edit your photo. Look for the Edit button right next to your name. It should be pretty easy to spot. Click on this button, and you'll be greeted by a window titled Edit Your Profile. In this window, your next step is to find the button that says Upload Photo. Clicking this will allow you to browse your computer for the perfect image to use as your new profile picture. So go ahead and click on that Upload Photo button now. At this point, a File Explorer window will open, enabling you to search through your files to find the image you'd like to use. This could be a recent photo, your company logo, or anything that represents you well in a professional setting. Once you find the image you want, simply click on it and then hit Open. Once your image loads, you'll see it on your Profile Edit screen. Here's where the fun begins. You can click and drag the frame around the picture to crop or reposition it as desired. Adjust it until you're happy with how it looks. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect on the first try. Feel free to make adjustments. Now that you've got the image looking just right, the next step is to save your changes. Look for the green Save button that's displayed on the cropping tool window. Go ahead and click that. After that, we're not quite done yet. You need to save the overall changes to your profile as well. In the main Profile Edit window, there's another button labeled Save Changes. Clicking this will finalize all the adjustments you've made, including your new photo. And there you have it. Changing your Slack profile picture is straightforward and can really enhance your presence in your workspace. Now, anyone who views your profile will see that updated image, and it can definitely add a bit of personality to your interactions. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you found it useful,